Hello Year 1, I hope that everybody is okay. Today is another English lesson on Tom and the Island of Dinosaurs. And today we are going to be creating leaflets about our imaginary islands that we created yesterday. Before we start our learning, please can you write the long date, Tuesday the 23rd of June 2020, and the LI to create a leaflet. For today's lesson you will need your workbook, your pencil, the leaflet template from the Grange website, or you could just write it out in your workbook, a purple pen or pencil for corrections when you have finished, your adjectives word mats that we've created already, and the island list and sentences that you wrote yesterday because it will help you with today's lesson. Pause the video to make sure that you have all of these things. Now, what did you include on your island, or just have a think? Talk to your adult or your partner if you are at school. You could have had a water park, your theme park or fun fair, a beach, unicorns, dolphins, elephants, dinosaurs, whatever your favourite animal or creature is, racetrack, football pitches, and so many more different things. Now, what are these things called that are on the screen now? There's a special name for them. Pause the video and see if you can work it out. The answer is they are called leaflets. But what is a leaflet? If you know, tell your adult. A leaflet is usually a piece of paper which tells the reader about something, and they are non-fiction. So it could explain what something is or advertise something. So we will be telling people about our islands. So the features of a leaflet, so you need to have a title, your introduction, and that is going to tell us what the island looks like. Subheadings, now subheadings, we'll see what they are in a minute, but subheadings are used in non-fiction writing to explain what the next part of writing will be about. So we've looked at these in school before, so we have our main big title at the top, and then our subheadings are in our writing. So your subheadings could be where is the island and what can you do on the island. Let's also include photos or diagrams or pictures to explain it further. And you need to include information and descriptions of the island. That's with our adjectives. So here is an example of my island's leaflet. Miss Morgan's Island, that's my title. Miss Morgan's Island is extremely beautiful with lots of exciting and interesting places to explore. You will have a lot of fun if you visit, and there I've got my exclamation mark because it is exciting. And here is a picture of what I would like my island to look like. Where is the island? So that is an example of a subheading. So now the next part of information will be to do with the subtitle. Where is the island? The island is in the gigantic Pacific Ocean, but very peaceful. So we learnt about the oceans in geography. So I've chosen for my island to be in the Pacific Ocean. And here is an island in an ocean, looking really tiny. It is very small, so you have to travel there by boat. So I have decided to also include a picture of a boat. What can you do on the island? There's another subtitle or subheading. You can visit the massive water park which has the largest water slides and cold water. You can find happy dolphins in the blue sea and relax on the beach. So you can write more in your leaflet when you are writing. So if you are in Mrs. Coker and Miss Thello's phonics group, this is your template. It's already got a title, My Island, where is the island, and things to do on the island. And these big squares are for you to draw your images and your pictures. So first you're going to write about what your island looks like on these lines here. What can you do on your island? Over here, and where is your island over here? Remember to use your work from yesterday to help you for like your list and your adjectives. And here are some sentence starters. My island is, on my island you can, and you can get to my island by. So maybe you can get to my island by plane, you can get to my island by car, you can get to my island by boat or helicopter, whatever you like. If you are in my phonics group, Miss Sadie, or Mrs. Meta's phonics group, you all have the same template. Now remember your titles and subheadings and subtitles because they are not included on here. But some examples are, where is the island? Things to do on your island. or you can use your own. We will be very impressed if you try to make your own subtitles. You can use your work from yesterday to help you with your adjectives and your ideas. Remember to use lots of adjectives so that it is more descriptive and we know a little bit more about what your island would look like. And also when you have finished your writing, you can draw your pictures. So remember, you need your title, introduction, what does the island look like? Subheadings are used in non-fiction writing to explain what the next part of the writing will be about. So you can have where is the island or what can you do on the island. You need to include photos and information and descriptions of the island. We're really excited to see what your leaflets look like. And now it is time for the shout outs. Well done to George for creating an amazing island. He's put on where you can have different types of food, that you can go fishing, you can go to the beach, it will be sunny, and there will be boats. And George has also written some amazing sentences to say what his island will look like and what will be on the island. Well done, George. RV has created an amazing map of the island and written down a lovely list. Well done, RV. And Dennis has also created an amazing island and written down what his island will include. Well done, Dennis. And Mira has drawn an amazing island and she's called it Dolphin Island. And she has lots of sand and dolphins and rocks and lots of trees to make it look beautiful. And she has also done an amazing job on her diary entry. Well done, Mira. Well done for all of your hard work today. Please send us your leaflets to the Year 1 email address so we can see what they look like.